Hinton Lodge, Hinton, Alberta. The King Suite. Got your ironing board. Let's start with the bathroom here. Hair dryer. I'll show you the rest of the room. Microwave, coffee maker, couple wine glasses, corkscrew, empty, decent sized fridge. This room has the separate room, I guess, here. And now the king room. Small TV. And this is facing south, and this is pretty much on the west side of Hinton on the way in from Jasper. Jasper is that direction. Edmonton is that direction. That's a quick tour of the Hinton Lodge.